Okay, hola, this is DailyChilli. You cannot see my face, but I'm here. And so this is episode number 34. Just getting back to work now. Sorry, I cannot see my face. Probably you can't either. Okay, now the light's coming. Okay, so the thing is that I'm still jet lagged. Last night I think I slept like only like 3 or 4 hours for some reason. I don't know. I woke up like overthinking and like thinking too much, and I don't know, overwhelmed, I think is the word for that. And I was thinking like I feel a bit lonely. I don't know if it's because of the trip last week that I saw everyone, like all the people that I saw, everyone like with a significant other. I mean, except of one friend, but all the rest are like seem to be very, very happy, and I start to compare myself with this situation. With this situation. So in order to avoid that, I was thinking, and I don't know, I just want your comments and let me know what you think, if I should start dating. I was trying the normal way, like to find people, like to meet people, like offline, analog version. I've been doing that. I think the last time I have a relationship with someone was like over 1 year ago. And but yeah, I think I want to try something that I didn't try before, which is using a website, I don't know, or like an app, dating app. So let me know what you think. So the password for today's daily post is dating. Okay, see you guys. Bye.